Today I'm going to be demoing Tempo, which is the high fidelity prototype of my app. I'll be going through and showing a potential interaction with the app. So this is the home screen. Here a user is able to start a lift, and when they start a lift they'll be prompted to input the session details. They can choose how long the workout will be, they can choose what type of workout, and they can choose what music they'd like to listen to, which is linked to their Spotify. For example, they might choose a push day and a playlist they have titled Get Hype. From there, they can click Generate, and based on the length and the workout type they've specified, they'll get a customized workout with sets and time in between each set in order to help them pace themselves to hit their allotted goal. So they can make changes if they want to switch out a specific set or number of exercises, and then once they're ready, they can click OK. From here, the idea of Tempo is to help users keep track and stay productive during the time in between their sets. So as opposed to just not setting a timer or scrolling on TikTok, users are able to know how much time has passed in between sets. They're able to perform productive tasks, or they're able to sync their music so that as the set ends and they're about to start exercising, the music is already set up and ready for the beat to drop. So in this example, after a user completes a set, they can start their timer. Once the timer starts, it'll change to a red to indicate this. And while they're on the screen, they can also control the music linked to Spotify, and they can switch from tutorials or logs. In the tutorial section, a timer will stay at the top, letting them know how much time they have left, and they can read about the exercise they're performing to get tips, or they can see a tutorial. The idea is that if they read this or interact with the tutorial, they'll gain gems. And so as users continue to work out, they'll become more advanced in their lifting techniques. On the other hand, they can click logs, and if they go to logs, they can input information about their last set and how they did. This allows the users to, like other gym apps, just keep track of their progress and see how they're trending. Once the timer reaches the 20-second mark, it'll start flashing to let users know that it's time to get ready for the next set, and the timer will automatically slow down so that the music can sync up, so that when the user starts their set, the beat on the song will drop. Finally, when the user is done, they can click End Session, and they'll see some details. They can see how long they went for, how long was spent resting, and then how many gems they earned. Gems earned is just based on the streak you've had going into your workout, how productive you were during your workout, and whether you watched tutorials or not. The user clicks OK, and they're returned to the home screen. At the home screen, they can click on their profile, and from there they can see the current icon they have. They can add friends so other friends can see what their profile looks like. They can link their Spotify, or using gems they've earned, you can purchase other characters or cool props for your characters. Thank you.